Hudson Valley Historical Miniatures Guild, an IPMS chapter in the lower Hudson Valley. The shows are usually like late October every year in Poughkeepsie, New York. So take a drive up Route 9, check out some nice fall foliage, and look at some awesome modeling. So I picked this up at the show. It has some detail parts thrown in here. The price was right. It was in my budget. I talked him down a couple of bucks. I like the new release this year. It's Tamiya, kit number 25205. It comes with a Mustang and a Jeep. This one has a staff car. I like the staff car. But the new release is it has the markings for a Blue Noser. I believe it's Lieutenant Colonel John C. Myers' plane. And I figured I'd get this one instead. It comes with the staff car. I like that. Let's crack it open. Alright, so we got a Tamiya P51 here. And usually, I guess there's something going on with the rivets on this. Looks fine to me, though. Let's check this out. Here's a staff car. That's cool. Look at this. I like the staff car. Really nice molding. Injection pin marks in the back. Instructions, we'll check those out. I want to see what the markings are for. And stuff for the car, for the staff car. Okay. I got a Bud Anderson and a Chuck Yeager. And some drop tanks. I don't think either one of those pilots flew in these squadrons that are on here. I don't know. I doubt it, but I don't think they did. Canopy. It's like a gun sight there too. Is that a gun sight? It's a gun sight. So hopefully you can here. So we'll have to check this out. See what this is in a minute. Here are the instructions for the vehicle. Well, the decal sheet's really nice. Yeah. Let me turn it. Maybe we can get a better view. Woo. Now let's take a look at this mask. Hang on. So it's the nose and canopy mask for this plane, Millie P. Doesn't look like it's pre-cut, so that's kind of a drag. That's better than nothing. I want to take a closer look at the staff car. These are I don't want to take these out of the package. These are clear. These are the clear. They look pretty good. Yeah. Wow, look at the lights. The lights. I can see some micro LEDs in there right now. The wheels need a little help. Hang on. You know what? It's real nice mold. Feels great. Looks like I take a paint real good. Oops, it is metal. Well, if you're not feeling a staff car, you can put some flames on it and make it a hot rod. Nice tight fit. I don't know if you can see the cuts in here or not. It's supposed to be pre-cut. It looks like it. You gotta be very careful pulling these off. Looks pretty good. So this is Major Edward P. Giller's plane from the 343rd Fighter Squadron and 55th Group. I think I'm going to do this one. This is cool. I like the markings. I also have Lieutenant Donald F. Jones, the 360th Fighter Squadron, and the 356th Group. That's here on the box. Turn it around. I'm pretty sure these are all like bomber escort out of England, more than likely. So what else do we got? This is, so there's markings here. This is Lieutenant Marvin W. Arthur, 334th. It looks like a 2007 release. I guess I can go on ScaleMates and find out. So I wanted a Jeep, and I liked the Mustang so much that I picked up the P47 from AliExpress. It was on sale last week, like $25, $26 or something, plus a few bucks shipping. You order from Amazon, you get the package all beat up. These guys take a lot of care. Look at this. Yeah, so came from Europe or China, maybe. No bubble wrap. I mean, sorry, not no bubble wrap. No saran wrap on this thing. It's not shrink wrapped. Let's go. Yeah, man, look at this P47. Nice. I don't know if anybody's done a review on a P47 Thunderbolt before, but this one's pretty cool. I like this one. So I don't want to give you too much boring stuff. Canopy. Cockpit, rather. Side. Oh, look, the side panels. On focus. Look good. Look good. Oh. Yep, there we go. Rockets, bombs, fully loaded. Here's the Jeep. Nice. This is interesting. I got a slide molded nose piece. I'm gonna tear into this. Two of those. Two polycaps, probably for the wheels. Got a nice R2800. Let's take a look at this nose. This cowling. It's nice. There's the twin wasp. Really nice twin wasp. Okay. Time for the markings. Oops, don't forget Chuck and Bud. So they give you the stripes, the checkered cowling. I'm not sure how they're going to go on. I heard some horror stories about Tamiya decals about being thick. These look pretty good. Yeah, hold them steady here. There you go. Zoom out a little bit. There you go. Wow. Yeah. Instrumentation. Let me see. Focus in. I don't know who makes these. Are Tamiya. They're not Cartograph. They're Tamiya decals. Yeah. For the Jeep. You get a dashboard. Cool. Some serious detail on this Jeep too. The frame is nice. Leaf springs look good. Front and rear differential drive shafts. Skid plate. Look at everything looks good. We got here. Front grille looks really nice. Yeah, nice stuff. Here's the heavy 30. There's a mount for it, the stand for it. Looks good. So the guy on the cover is Lieutenant Colonel Benjamin Mayo of the 84th Fighter Squadron and 78th Fighter Group, Duxford Air Base, 1944. Then you have Major William Kepner, the 551st Fighter Squadron and the 495th Group, Mount Farm Air Base. I don't know where that is. 1944 autumn. It's a great show this year. There's some really nice combination vehicles, some Freightliners, and some highway maintenance trucks. They look really great. Usually you don't see that stuff. The rest of the show is awesome. I want to thank everybody that brought their models into the IPMS shows this year. Great job. Enjoy the show, and I'll see you soon.